Hello students, in the last session we have just talked about the text widget. Now, sorry, we have talked about the text widget. Now we'll uh, understood this text widget using an example. So let's move to the practical part, and I have opened the Vader example which I have created in the last video. Here now I'll delete this child column child and okay, and this floating button, and I'm gonna write text widget here. We just need to define text widget using a text keyword, okay, and we'll have to the main property of this is text. We'll have to define a text there, we'll have to give a text there. Other properties are optional, but we'll have to give the text to the text field. So here I'm giving hello world. Let's first you know let's first check how it is printing to the application. It is syncing, yeah, right, sorry, it is taking time, right. This is how it is printing. Since we have um, you know added this text widget in the child of the center, this is why this particular hello world is showing in the center of the body of the application. And now if we want to change the color font size of this, so what we need to do, we have a property that is style, and we'll have to give a text style class. In textile class we have numerous properties, attributes like color, whatever color you wanna give in color we can give through colors dot. We have colors in colors class, so colors class have C capital in it, so I'm giving the color to amber accent, okay, just for showing, okay. Font weight, you can give font weight to bold, sorry, font weight class, we'll find bold in font weight class, okay. So in font weight class have this, okay. And we have yes, we have a property that is size of text to font size. Let's give 20 right now, okay, and reload it and see the changes there. Yeah, you can see the color of the text has been changed, its font is also increased, and its weight means it is now showing as a bold text. So these were the properties of text. We can, if we want to write something in our application, we can use text widget. So this was the work of the text widget. Let's move forward, and yeah, we have learned this one, okay. Let's move forward. So now we have a text widget has a special constructor text.rich, which accepts the child of type text span to specify the string with different style. Text span widget is recursive in nature, and it accepts text span as its children. The sample code for this purpose is as follows. So if we have one more widget that is text.rich, okay. So what it does, it's have text pens. Text pens have children's. Under that children's, we have number of text pens. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding this one. Okay, so let's move to this one. Okay, text.rich. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll make text.rich, right? Text.rich have text is pen as a child. Sorry. Pen as a child, which have sub children's, could be text pens. Okay, so let's check the layout. It works, right? This is how it works. It is working well. Now we need to add text pen. We had text rich. Under that we have text pen. Under that, let's copy this code, right? Let's copy this code and paste it in the child of center widget. Okay, so just do one thing, so it will, you know, okay, so this is how it will work. And we have text rich. Under that we have text pen, and under that we have children's of text pens. Okay, now the whole this text will be in another format, and this will be in the another format. Let's see how it will look. So let's see this. See, the hello is in the italic format and the word is in the bold format. So this is how it works. So if we need to, highlight something in our text, or we need to change the color of some text, we have a different properties within a same paragraph of a text. We can use text pens. Okay, so this is how it works. uh, Now I guess we are done with the text widget in the Flutter. So let's move forward to the next widget. Okay. Okay. The most important, let's talk about the properties of text widget. First is max lines. Yeah, you can also give the maximum number of lines a text could carry. Like if we have a text, if we are adding a text which are very long, but we need to concentrate that particular text in a particular number of lines, so it does that. It will show the other text with a dotted lines. Okay, we have a limited space, and we need to show the text in the limited space, so there we can use maximum lines. It's int maximum number of lines. Okay, so maximum lines, we give maximum line in the format of int. Okay, so you can give 5 number of lines, you can give 2 number of lines, so the 2 will be the value of the max lines property. Okay, so it takes int value as its property. Next is overflow. Text overflow, specify how visual overflow is handled using text overflow class. Okay, if we have we have defined the number of lines up to 2, and the text is very large, it is not fitted to two lines of the text. So what we'll do, we'll uh, use the text overflow property, okay, and we could extend it so that it could be the you know next text could be seen by dotted line, the extended text could be seen by dotted line. So this is how it works. Next is a style, which I have used. There I was using color, um, font weight, font size. These were the properties of a style widget, style property, sorry. And then we have text align. Text alignment could be right, left, justify. Okay, the alignment of the text. It will show the alignment of the text for a particular layout. For a particular layout means for a particular container. We have talked, right, that layout widgets are container, stacks. These are the layout widgets, column, rows, and these are the layout widgets. So it will show the text in the in the right of the layout widget, right? Text direction, left to right, right to left. This is one of the property of text. Okay, now we'll move to the next one, that is image. Image widget is used to display an image in the application. Image widgets provide different constructor to load images from multiple sources, and they are as follows. So we have different widgets there, which help us to we have different uh, image widget constructors there, okay, which helps us to load the image to the um, application. So first one is image, that is generic image loader using image provider. Next is image.assist, that is load image from Flutter project assets. Next is image.file, that is load image from system. This load image from system folder, right? Image.memory, load image from the memory. And image.network, it will load the image from the network. You can give the URL to the image, it will load that image to the application, okay. So the easiest option to load and display an image in Flutter is by including the image as assets, okay. So of the application, and load it into the widget on demand. Whenever we have a demand, we can load it into the widget. Create a folder assets in a folder, in a project folder. Assets, we'll have to create a folder assets in the project folder, and we'll have to give the we'll have to add this also in the pubsec.yml file, so that Flutter could understand that we have the image folder as asset folder. Otherwise it will not show you the image. It can't take the path of your image in the project also, it can't take the path of the image, okay. So you'll have to uh, add the path of the image in the pubsec.yml, okay. Specify the assets in the pubsec.yml as follows, as it is showing. We'll do the same. And now load the display the image in the application, okay. So what we'll do, let's do one thing. Yes, okay, let's take an image first. For example, I have an image, this, right? We don't have an assets folder right now. We'll have to create that. So go to the project and click new directory, and can give to do directly a assets folder, anything you can give assets, sorry, okay. And I'll paste the image